In this video, we're going to look at the steps involved in working out 0.06 times 0.4. For step 1, we ignore the decimal places and we can write out 6 times 4. And of course, 6 times 4 is equal to 24. For step 2, we count the decimal places. Now this means, how did I get from this value to this one here? Well, the answer is we moved this decimal point from here to here, and we moved it 2 places to make this number here 100 times bigger. I have made this 0.4 10 times bigger, which involves moving the decimal point 1 place, and that will give me the value 4, as you can see here. So let's list what I've just done. For the 0.06, you can see I've moved 2 decimal places, and for the 0.4, I've moved 1 decimal place. So in total, I have made the decimal place across both numbers move 3 decimal places. And this has given me this calculation, which we can see is equal to 24, but 24 is 1,000 times too big because of the way in which I've moved the decimal places. What I now have to do is to put the decimal point in the correct place, and the guide that will allow me to do this is the fact that here I have 3 decimal places that I have to consider. So we know we've got 6 times 4 equals 24, and we're also dealing with the fact that I've moved 3 decimal places. So I will consider the 24 and write it out as 24.0, and this is simply to give me a visual look as to where the decimal point actually would be in 24. Of course, this 24 is 1,000 times too big, so I've got to make it 1,000 times smaller, and I'm going to show that on the next line. And the number that's just appeared is indeed 1,000 times smaller than 24. To get this new number, what I've done, I've moved the decimal point from after the 4, and I've moved it 3 times. That's once, twice, 3 times. Moving the decimal point 3 times makes the number 1,000 times smaller. Now this 0 has no value, so I can go on to write out the number as you see here. And the 0 that was here does not appear here. So we can go on to say that 0.06 times 0.4 is indeed 0.024. So the approach I've shown in this video is as follows. Ignore the decimals, multiply, count the places, and put the decimal back in.